Hello everybody. All of you are welcome in social study class. Today we are going to discuss about ongoing development project in Nepal. Alright, in this unit we are going to learn what you mean by development project and what are the development project running at present and some of the important project and their description we are going to study today. Now let's go. Ongoing development project in Nepal. First you need to know what you mean by development project. Of course, for speedy development, well managed programs are necessary. The development of program running without a certain objective. The development program running with certain objectives to achieve in certain times are called development projects. They can be small or big. Project can be big or small. The big projects need for more resources and the capital. Generally, they are run in national level. They can be local, provincial or national level. Nearly 500 projects are being conducted at present, but we are going to study only 21 which are kept in the category of national pride. Okay, let's see this 21 project, national project or the project of national pride. Rani Jamaria Kularia irrigation project. Okay, Budi Gandaki Haitupar project, West Seti Haitupar project, South West Karnali corridor, South North Koshi corridor, East West railway, Pashupati area development project, etc. Likewise, you continue, please. I am not going to read all the project. They are there, 21 altogether. You read that. Okay. Let's just go to the description part of some of the project. One important project, Pokhara Regional International Airport. It was prepared on the basis of the concept of sustainable tourism development, and its area, it covers the area of 2600 Ropanage, and it was inaugurated on 1st Vaishak 2073, and the construction works is given to the responsibility of Chinese company. It will construct 2500 meter into 4500 meter concrete runway. There would be taxi parking, and control tower, and international and domestic terminal building. After completion of this large aeroplane up to 200 seat can take off and land into Pokhara. Okay. Next project, Mid-Hill Puspalal Highway. It's aimed at connecting the Mid-Hill districts. It contribute the tourism, agriculture and hydroelectricity of that area. It help for balanced development. Okay, its length is 1776 kilometer. Start from Chia Banjang of Pasthar districts to Julagat of Baitari districts. Investment of Government of Nepal. For that, Government of Nepal has invested. Advantages, who can take the advantages? 7 million people of 23 districts and 215 villages can take the advantages of this project, from this project. Another is Budi Gandaki Haitupar project. It is located at the border of Gorkha and Dharing districts. It is estimated its rupees as 254,955,60, and it is regulated and supervised by Nepal government and supported by World Bank, International Finance financial organization, Asian Development Bank. It will be completed in 8 years, that is the target. It provides 1200 megawatt electricity. Okay, next, Upper Tamakoshi hydropower project. This project has the capacity of 456 megawatt, funded by NEA, Nepal Electricity Authority, Nepal Telecom and Citizen Investment Trust, Rashtriya Bima Sansthan, Employee Provident Fund, civil servant and general public. And it is expected that it will be comparatively cheaper because it is all totally Nepali investment. It is located at north part of the Dolkha. It was established in 2063. Yes. Next, President Chure Tarai Madesh Conservation Project. The objective was to solve the environmental problem of Chure region, to maintain the biodiversity, geographical, social and economic aspect of this area. It has covered 1,278% of the total area of Nepal. It extends from Ilam to Kanchanpur, Ilam district to Kanchanpur districts. It is in the altitude of from what is the ratio 200 to 2100 meter and cover 26 districts. Under this project, construction and the management of the primary nursery, production of the sapling of the varieties of the plants, control of fire in Chure region, control illegal hunting and conservation of forest and afforestation oriented job. Okay, that's what you learned. It's very important information about the very important project which are known as the Pride of the Nation, National Pride. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.